Today, I'll show you how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. If important messages keep landing in your spam folder, the good news is that Gmail gives you a few ways to fix it. Google says the most effective steps are to remove the email from spam, add the sender to your contacts, and create a filter for that sender. Google also notes that messages in spam are automatically deleted after 30 days, so it's a good idea to check that folder before waiting too long. The first step is to open Gmail and go to the spam folder. If you find a message there that should not be in spam, open it and choose Not Spam or report Not Spam. Google says that after you remove the email from spam, future emails from that sender should no longer go there. This is usually the fastest fix, especially if the sender is someone you already trust. The next thing to do is add that sender to your contacts. Google says that when you add the sender to Google Contacts, Gmail stops sending their messages to spam. So if this is a coworker, client, school contact, or any sender you regularly want to hear from, saving their email address can make a big difference. Now, if you want even more control, create a filter for that sender. Google's help says filters can be used for specific senders, and community guidance on Google support repeatedly points to using a filter with the Never Send It to Spam option when messages keep being misclassified. The easiest way is to open Gmail on a computer, create a filter for that email address, and set Gmail to keep those messages out of spam in the future. There's also one important thing to remember here. If valid emails still keep going to spam even after you mark them as not spam, add the sender to contacts and set up a filter. Google says the sender may need to follow Gmail's sender guidelines more closely. In other words, sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. It may be caused by the sender's email reputation or how their messages are being sent. Also, if you had previously blocked that sender, Google says you should unblock them first because blocked senders can still end up in spam. And if you use Gmail through work or school, an administrator may have spam rules in place. So in that case, you may need to contact your admin instead of changing it yourself. So, the easiest way to stop emails going to spam in Gmail is simple. Open spam, mark the message as not spam, add the sender to your contacts, and create a filter for that sender if needed. That combination is the clearest official path Google provides for trusted emails that keep getting filtered by mistake. And that's how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.